Good morning, guys. Welcome, YouTube subscribers, to Trade Confident, where I live trade crypto on every single video. So let's go over Vechain. Guys, the market is seeing a little bit of a rebound. Real quick, if you guys are not, I'm not going to be able to cover a full video for this today, but I want to cover this, is that ADA and Dogecoin are doing very well. ADA is pumping up here faster than Bitcoin is, as well as Dogecoin is seeing a nice little pump in the market here. So great job if you guys are in there. I do want to mention this for Vechain and all the other cryptos here. Make sure you guys are checking this over at tradeconfident.io. I will be updating our sell limits. So if you guys are looking to get out of these, I'm going to be moving some of them down because of some metrics I'm going to be showing you guys today that I see that I just want us to be a little more cautious for this move up. I don't know if the whales are going to be bullish enough. There still might be some bears hidden out there that are secretly going to drop this when we hit some structure resistance. So I'm going to be moving some of those down. So make sure you guys check over at tradeconfident.io today. All right, let's go over the breaking news real quick for Vechain. So this is actually the #1 top trending article right now on Google. I'll show this to you guys. This is very important for you guys to be watching this. The #1 article for Vechain news for June 24th. Vechain price prediction. VET coils up for 30% rally. So let's just cut to the chase here. This is what they're looking at, is that the VET price could rally 30% to tag the resistance at 0.098. Okay, very close to the 10-cent psychological mark if buyers push past 0.0843. Okay, let's take a look at this. If we pull in 9.8, it sits right around here. So this is basically at our second buy limit is where they're predicting this to go. I do like that. A break of this, structure resistance here at about 0.085, 0.86. That will be a nice push up. Maybe a lot of buy stops are going to be in here to push the price to that mark. That will then put us into the profit. I am most likely going to move this sell limit down to about 11 to maybe 12 cents on this move here, because I don't think we're going to be able to get a big enough pump to move back up here. This is a 51% gain if we get all the way up. I don't know if we're going to head up that far. So I want to be a little more conservative and bring this down a little bit more in here. I will most likely be moving this sell limit, make sure you guys just watch the website for this, to around a 20 to 25% gain in the profit. I like to, if you guys have been watching this video, move all of our trades, at least make 10 to 20% per trade on this channel. The last trade we did end up winning on here, if you guys are following on the performance, is the Bitcoin trade of 15.14%. So great job for all of you guys following along on the channel. Let's go over now the indicators here, and then I'm gonna go over the market metrics real quick, because that's pretty much what you guys are coming for now, because that's what I hear a lot. You guys like the market metrics. So the trend dashboard is looking very bearish. Obviously, we're still below the 50 MA. We're below the 200 and the 100 MA. This, in my opinion, is technically not in a bull market cycle until we break above the death cross, which we are currently in, and we start moving above these 50, 100 MAs. 200 MA is very bullish sign. So we're not there yet. If you were to ask me, are we in a bearish or bullish market right now? I still think we're in a bearish market for sure. Price versus the whale money flow, this is positively correlating here. So when you see the pink line move up as well as the green line move up, this is when you get a lot of pressure in the market pushing it up. So you have structure in price as well as whales pushing the market up, because the whales are buying and the price is moving up with retail traders as well. So very good correlation, and this is a positive sign. We're going to keep heading up for the price versus the whale money flow. Okay, this indicator and these other two are available in the description. The prices of these three are going to go up July 1st, so only a few more days for that, okay? Trend exhaustion. I've been talking about this on every single video. We need to watch this. We're sitting right in the middle here. If we can get a push up here to the red zone, right around 88, 90, if we get up to 100, that would be actually kind of nice. That will possibly push us up to around the 10-cent mark, and that's where I'm hoping to get us up to about 11, 12 cents. Like if 12 cents could be hit, that would be really nice. If even 11 cents could be hit for a profit on this, that would be a nice little, 20, 30% profit. So that's what I'm going for. All right, so the market metrics. You guys ready for this? This is what you guys are here for. This is what you guys need to be watching every single morning, July 24th. Here we go for live trading. The long versus short trades in the market for Bitcoin. Bitcoin will rise and lower everything else pretty much, especially Vechain. So the short trades have continued to drop off in the market, as well as the long trades are continuing to rise. As in yesterday's video, I was showing you guys that. I'm like, man, we're almost at an all-time high. We have officially hit an all-time high here for the year of 2000. 21. So that's very nice that this is at an all-time high for longs and shorts are continuing to drop out. This tells me that a lot of the whales are like, hey, we're not as confident that the price is going to go back down. And this is kind of like pressure in the background. So if you're like, man, I wonder what the whales are doing. Well, here you go, guys. There's all the positions here. All of the short trades on Bitfinex right here. You can see that they shorted out like crazy here and they dropped the market. So watch this every morning. You can see what's going on behind the charts before it happens. Okay, trades in favor today are definitely still in the long trades, but I'm being honest with you guys, it's starting to move into the more of the neutral area, okay? Neutral area for VET, that's possibly because, we're getting a low, a high, a higher low. Are we going to get a higher high in here? That's really interesting. We could start hitting this resistance and start heading back down. So this indicator, the index, the trades in favor, is calling for still some good long trades, but we're moving close to neutral. So just be cautious of that. It's not the greatest time to take long trades, but it's way better than taking short trades, okay? The death cross is still active, as we can see here. The emotional index is still coming out here, and we are still in the anxious phase, so just be aware of this. I think a lot of people are looking at Vechain, these other coins, and they're like, all right, I know we've been going down like crazy. Are we going to push up? Are we really? Or are we going to keep starting to head back down? A lot of still uncertainty in the market. But let's just see what the big whales are doing. Why don't we just cut straight into it? And what are the institutions and smart money and the whales doing with their money? Well, we saw that the long trades were crazy. They were buying this dip like insane, guys. When we get up to this level, it's like, man, they buy this every time. So they bought it down here. If you guys are just following this on a daily basis, I'm serious, guys. If you just follow the market metrics on a daily basis and trade with the whales, you're going to be doing so good, okay? Literally every time we get price spikes up here, when we get a volume this high on the long trades, you guys are going to be making money. Like, I can't say that for sure. This is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. But if you guys are just following what the whales are doing in here, you guys are buying the dips every time. Every time there's fear in the market, these whales are coming to buy every single time. They're buying these long trades on the dips, long trades on the dips, long trades on the dips, and it is held true, held true, held true. So that's what I'm looking at. Take a look at this. This is updating every single day, as well as all these volume metrics are changing in here. Okay, so this is basically the whale positions. Where is all of the money sitting? This is nice right here. I really like to see this. On yesterday's video, this was not as high down here. This is what's called a high volume versus low volume node. This high volume node has created a nice structure around here at 31,000. So that is pushing basically our support is looking better and better. I really want to see this high volume node push out above this one. This will give me more confidence, because at the moment, believe it or not, this about 34,000 node in here is actually acting as resistance, as well as the node in here about 36,000 is acting as resistance to the price, okay? That's how these work. A lot of trade volume in here. This is where you can see a lot of shorts in here. They don't want to go up any further, so that's where those shorts were placed, and then it acts as resistance. It's a very standard way of looking at this chart, okay? So we do need to break up here. Like I've mentioned time after time, $36,000 and up. That's where I think we might be in the clear, guys. We might be in the clear after $36,000. Might be able to get up here to about 50,000. That's where the next biggest node is. So as far as Vechain goes, guys, you're doing great. I know it's been a long hold on this, like a long one, but you guys are doing fantastic. I will be updating sell limits today, so make sure you guys are going back over and you're checking tradeconfident.io. There's just going to come a day on here when you guys come to this website and you guys go to the performance, and we have just won a ton of trades. That's just how this is going to work, because we've been patient. We've been dollar cost averaging in here. We did get buy limits in here, but we didn't, put all of our money in one spot and have to wait, 40% to get back into the profit. So as the price goes down, we actually make money faster than a lot of pretty much any other trading strategy, because we're dollar cost averaging. So make sure you guys are checking that. Again, the market metrics will become a paid version of this website very soon. Just letting you guys know that. So get ready for that. It's not going to be a ridiculous amount every month, but it's going to be something that I honestly believe you guys will save thousands, and obviously some of you guys tens of thousands, if you're just following what the whales are doing. They're showing you what they're doing right here. If you guys are just following this, and you're following where they're actually placing all their trades, and you're following the trades in the favor, you guys are going to do very good, I believe. And if you're just watching what the normal long for short trades are doing, that's going to be amazing for you guys as well. Help you make a lot more money in the market is what I personally believe. All right, guys, great job for holding, and God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video. I will not be doing videos Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. Me and my wife are going on a vacation. We're going to Pismo Beach in California. So I'll be back on Tuesday, but you got me today and tomorrow. So let's do this. Bye-bye.